In the garden city of India, where there are thousands of startups coming up every year, there is one such startup which is not only successful but also claimed the title of India's fastest growing expression platform for creative folks. Your Quote is a mobile app where the users can write their own emotions, thoughts and poems and give it a beautiful background and post it. The users can also share their posts to their social media accounts directly.
So the basic idea was very simple. You write something, you choose a wallpaper and you broadcast it on the app and then you share it on your social network, be it Instagram, Facebook or Twitter. And we saw that people loved the concept and every writing was sort of as an image. It was accessible on the gallery of your phone or on the grid view of the mobile, and it was also Google searchable as your quotes because we search engine optimized the site. So every person who has written so far, their quotes are searchable on Google with their names. So what I set out to do, actually we managed to do that, and now there are more than 560,000 people whose quotes are there on Google and it's immortalized forever.
Your Quote was founded by Harsh Snehanshu and Ashish Singh as the fourth startup they made. It was started in the year August 2016. After beginning, the co-founders moved to Solang Valley in Manali to work on the product in low budget and in the calmness of the mountains.
The word quote, for example, I used to search for quotes and only famous people's quote was there on the internet. And it seemed a little weird for me because even I could come up with something original and something inventive. And that was the intent with which I booked the domain name as long as 2012. And since then, I just kept renewing the domain from 2012 to 2015.
Your Quote ran on their own money for 1 whole year from the beginning without any investment from outside. It was from the lesson they got from running behind the investors for the previous ventures.
A lot of people start up thinking that they'll get funding and then they'll have team. We bootstrapped for 2 years. I have loans of over 6 lakhs from my parents and friends. And with that kind of persistence and clarity and will, what happens is now nothing can shake us. I mean, even if our funding doesn't happen next time, we are mentally so strong that we'll be able to manage it across.
It was an invite-only app for the initial 2 months in order to manage and uphold the quality of the writings that came up in the app.
We started with the writing app and it was invite-only initially. So to maintain the quality of the content. Okay, so that's why it was invite-only. And we don't also, most of the apps in India are like people can write anything and they don't know what is the DNA of the app. So to make sure what people are writing is goes with the DNA what we are thinking the app should be. Okay, so that's why it was kept in a closed circle for the first 2 months after launch.
Your Quote conducts open mic across India in various cities. Open mics are the opportunities for individuals to present themselves on stand-up poetry, comedy, etc.
तुम चलती हो चेनाब की तरह, दिखती हो किसी ख्वाब की तरह, जिसका सवाल मैं सदियों से ढूंढ रहा हूँ, तुम लगती हो उस जवाब की तरह.
Open mics have basically acted as one junction at which everyone from every dialect or region can basically come together and present themselves and their views or their thoughts, and through that they get a platform to express themselves.
Exposure to platforms like in Bangalore, you can see that every other cafe organizes open mic. So this term was I was not familiar with this term when I was living in Orissa or then West Bengal. So this is a very big opportunity for those people who stop themselves or crib that there is no platform for them. So now this platform is coming to their hands, right? So it's a big revolution for people with talent and to showcase their talent to the entire world.
We give prompts, we issue prompts to users, we have our open mics, we have our curated events. And for our curated events, we invite only the very best of performers that we have seen from within our community and occasionally from outside. As for people from our open mics, who have been writing on Your Code for a while and then they heard about our open mic somewhere, they came for it, they performed, and if they're really good, they go viral.
In the recent past, we have started open mics for designated a particular language. That is, for example, if we are talking about Bangalore, people tend to speak more of Kannada over here, so they can have Kannada open mic. We also had an open mic for just Hindi and Urdu. It's called Jalsa. We had one for Tamil as well. It's called Solkappiyan. And I missed out on mentioning the open mic for Kannada is called Jagoli Salu. So. And that's pretty much about open mics, and we are constantly trying to scale it up, not just to cities in India, but also abroad as well.
So spoken word poetry ka trend, it's like very on peak right now. Like if you can go anywhere, you can find some good group of spoken words doing an open mic or whatever. But the trend will soon die, right? And Your Code is like an assurance that even if the trend dies, you'll have a community here. And now with the video feature, it's like awesome. Because I know that I can put like videos out there and I will still have an audience. I'll have a community.
Your Code has recently launched a new feature where the users can record short videos of their poetry, spoken word, stand-up comedy, etc. and post them in the app.
We realize that to democratize creative expression, we cannot just be reliant on offline medium. It has to be a technology medium, an online medium. And what video feature does is it lets you broadcast your performance right from your mobile phone, from wherever you are. You don't need to be in a particular place or anywhere.
Your Code has been very successful in building the community of users.
As a community, there's a very safe community. You don't think twice before writing anything. There are people writing about their mental issues, there are people writing erotica, there are people writing political, they're all everywhere and they're expressing without thinking that there is someone who's going to judge us. On Facebook, you might have 10 comments coming in or people reading it and saying this is not done, but here it's acceptable to be you.
So I think when somebody follows me on Your Code instead of Instagram, it feels more, there's more weightage to it than there is on Instagram, because Instagram people just like if you have used a common hashtag they can follow you, but on Your Code people join with an intent and they follow you with that intent. So I think that's really great. So you know that you genuinely have people reading your work.
As a company, we are asking users to come and spend their time on the app, and that is productive only when they consume the output in terms of they enjoy the content and in terms of they creating the content. So that way it was nice. And I personally answered one question on Quora, and later on one user downloads the app and comes to my profile on the app, hey, I joined because of this answer of yours on Quora. Like wow.
The best thing about this Your Code headquarters is that the work culture and the team over here, for all of them, it's much more than just an office, and it's like a family for them.
Everybody is very good at what they do, and you can connect with everybody. They don't have ego. You are all a family. So I'm a very community oriented guy. I go to a lot of events and all these places because I meet a lot of people. But after coming to Your Code, I don't need to go meet other people because these people are cool enough. Like, you can chill with these people all the time. We don't even go home. We go home very late, around 1 or 2 in the night, because we play TT here, we all chill here. It's very cool. It's a family. It's more than a family.
People really ask me that why do you spend your Saturday in office? I was like, why should I not? Like, there is everything, entertainment, challenge. That's what you need. There are people, everyone is like brilliant mind. If you discuss anything with anyone, you will get a healthy discussion, and that's what anyone want, or at least I want. So I love to be here. So, and I don't mind working here for like 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Yesterday we were working till 9 o'clock in the morning. So, and we don't feel like okay, we are working too much hard or something like that, but we enjoy everything. That's why like it's amazing.
They have a multi-purpose hall which is used as a studio, and in leisure time the employees play table tennis, enjoying the unique work environment. Here there's no specific cabin even for the CEO. All the employees work together sitting under one common roof as a family.
Right now we are actually getting revenue through events and sponsorships. So our events are sponsored by different brands, and that is how we're actually getting revenue right now. But it's for the time being, and moving forward in around 6-7 months we'll be looking at revenue channels through the product. That is the app and the website, and we are not getting into advertisements for revenue at this moment. So we are actually looking at selling user-generated content.
Eventually, going forward, Your Quote intends to allow people to provide resource support for writers and performers who would like to monetize their work.
Our vision is 5 years down the line, if a child wants to become a writer and tells their parents that they want to become a writer, parents won't say that, hey, there's no money in it. They'll say, your quote is there, so just use that and become better, and they will provide you the opportunity to both make money, become popular, and sort of become better.
Maybe 2 or 3 years, Your Quote will provide a space for people to talk about their emotions, their dreams, what they are feeling, what they want to do, or what has happened, to tell the world their story. For example, if somebody has a kid, they put up a picture on Facebook, and maybe now time is such that people think twice about sharing personal moments or things like that. But if you come to Your Quote, if you look at what people are writing, so what they put up out there is very intensely, deeply personal, and which is something that people nowadays don't do often.
Their vision is to make the whole world write and consider writing as a profession as good as any other profession is. Let's all hope that their dream comes true.